Possibly.
Yeah.
I think it's more of I want to get my drinks and I don't care necessarily what happens regardless.
Exactly.
Like I'm gonna, because I think most girls know that most guys are suckers and will sit there and be like, oh really, you want that? Okay, cool. Because like a lot of guys like kind of especially when they're in a nightclub or you're dealing with women, like it's like, man, I hope she likes me. I'm gonna do whatever I can to get her to like me. But I tell guys, you need to reframe it like, no, take it or fucking leave it. And when you operate like that, I realize like at least the girl respects you, even if she doesn't like you anymore. At least she respects you, and with that respect, you can actually build something upon that. Because I've hooked up with plenty of girls that don't like me, but they respected me. And I think that's the most important thing for a man to have with a girl. Is like too many guys are concerned with girls liking them. Fuck that. Get the respect first. So, yeah.
Some advice I'd like to give to a guy that can't afford it.
Yeah.
Buy the drink, hand it to her, and tell her it was nice to meet you. Have a good night, and walk the fuck away. And if she tries to come talk to you, be like, no, I'm not interested in girls like you. And you'll live in her fucking dreams. Do it like a gentleman, and it'll hurt. You react, you're a bitch. Do it like a gentleman, it will hurt.
Kill them with kindness.
Can I just ask how much is a bottle of 1942?
Yeah, a shot. It was a drink. Because she didn't order.
I know at a club everything's expensive.
Like she didn't order a bottle though. It was a drink.
A drink. How much is that really? That we're
a
talking
shot? That's probably like what?
40 and up.
60 bucks.
I have no fucking clue. I don't know.
50. That's not insulting to me.
Salt
But that's one drink. So
Yeah,
what if he's continuously drinking with you
let's
all
be real
night?
here. You're not gonna want just one drink. You want 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
So that's gonna add up real quick. Forgot it. You don't even know.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and then we have one more video as well. But any more thoughts on this one?
I just want to say that I stay away from 1942.
I stay away from tequila.
Like,
So,
it made me want to do some things. So
What do you drink?
Oh God. So, now you see why we don't let girls go out.
Girls trip. Listen,
Now you see why.
listen, your
But I
table
know my cup of tea.
in
you know?
Vegas
I stay
has a
away.
bottle of
He's like, I know
tequila.
my limits.
You gonna drink it?
Yeah.
Okay, so ladies, real quick. Another question for you.
Mhm.
Let's say you're on Tinder, right? Give us 2 things that will turn you off from swiping right. 2 things that will turn you on to swipe. Well, you know what I'm saying. If you're gonna swipe left, 2 things that will make you swipe left. If you're gonna swipe right, 2 things that will make you swipe right, of course. So we'll start here, I guess.
One that'll make me swipe left will be if they have the fish.
If they have what?
The picture of the fish.
Like they're holding fish in the picture.
Oh, okay. Like they're a fisherman.
Yeah.
No dead animals. Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Just giving swindling.
Why is that?
Huh?
Why is
I have
that?
no idea.
But you had this guy spending a bunch of money on steaks. What the hell?
No fish. It's different.
I'm crying.
Okay. All right. So, fuck the cows, I guess. All right. Fish lives matters. Fish lives matter. Okay. So if he's a fisherman and he's holding up like a big trout or some shit, you go like, ew, swipe left. Okay, cool. What else? What else would make you swipe left on a guy?
If it's short.
If he's short.
Sure. Okay.
Well, let's say you can't tell how tall he is on Tinder.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You can tell.
Yeah, by the pictures they post
They
with
know.
the friends. You can tell.
Okay.
They
Let's
put
say
him
smart
against the
enough to
words
give
and
us
shit.
another disqualifier besides short, because that's obvious. Let's say you don't know his height and he put 6 foot on the thing.
He's not cute. He's not attractive.
He's not cute. Okay.
All right. What about you?
So what make me swipe left is like the people that have no face in their profile at all. Like they just have like their body.
It's a blank.
It's like, or it's like a blank screen. It's like,
The fuck?
yeah, it's like some people have like the black screen. Some people have like pictures of like their biceps or their abs.
Okay.
And
All
then
right.
there's like people who
So no
just have
facial
like
picture.
emoji. I seen like someone had like an emoji.
Okay.
In their, in
No
their
facial picture.
Yeah,
That's a
no
left.
facial.
Okay. And what else?
And then also, like, I don't even pixelated like photos.
Bad quality photos?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
I don't do the dating apps, no Tinder, so I wouldn't know. Like, if I was on Tinder, I wouldn't even know what to do, like where to go, left, right. I wouldn't know.
Okay, so in your case, 2 turnoffs for you then.
Same.
2 turnoffs?
Yeah.
Like face to face, or like seeing
I
someone
guess like seeing
online?
someone like from far away.
A show off. Like that turns me off.
Okay, so you're showing off too much like
too
lifestyle.
much, like you're doing too much.
Okay.
And yeah, if you're short.
But I mean, okay, yeah, because you don't
I'm
use Tinder,
tired of
so
short guys.
no short kings.
No, like I had enough.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'3".
5'3".
Oh.
Damn.
So
you gotta be real short.
So what's the bare minimum height for you then?
I feel like 5'11". I've done 5'9". I've done 5'11".
Okay.
But I want like 6'4".
Wait, 6'4".
You know,
Oh,
like
that's
6'2".
Myron.
That's you gonna have a tough life, man.
Wait. So 28, 3 kids, divorced, and you want a 6'4" guy?
29.
Well, she's not divorced yet.
29.
What?
But
Oh,
yeah.
what
On the
night?
way.
Yeah.
So married.
Well, we might as well just
Girl,
have a trifecta.
manifest it, girl.
What's the bare minimum income he's got to make for you then? While we're on this topic,
I don't know.
Keep
you
it
know
1,000.
what? I'll plead the fifth.
just say it. Go ahead. You know your standard.
Rough
man.
estimate.
What's the bare minimum he got to make?
Rough
First, pull up that calculator.
Yep, that's right.
At least 300K and up.
Okay, 300K and up.
Yeah.
All right, real quick. We're gonna do a quick little. Okay, we got the Build a Man calculator here. Okay. So we're just for fun. We're gonna go ahead and punch her man in. So look, go ahead and max it out, Chris, with the income. And this calculator is made by one of our supporters. It actually takes from the U.S. Census Bureau and the National Center for Health Statistics. So pretty much it will account for obese man, height, all that stuff in the United States. So this is actually going to be pretty accurate. What's the age? What's the age range that you want to be?
Minimum and then high.
Minimum and high.
I'm gonna say 29 and up.
Okay. 29 to what? What's the max age?
I'm gonna say 48.
Okay. Race, preferably. It's like a black one. No, it's fine. What races?
All.
You like all?
Yeah.
You'll date Asian dude?
Asian?
No,
6'4" Asian?
No.
Okay. All right. So what do you want?
I'll do white, Hispanic, black.
Okay. White, Hispanic, black.
Yeah.
Okay. Height 6'4". Cool. Dwelling owner
I could do
renter, it doesn't matter.
6'2". I could do 6'2".
Okay, 6'2".
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's the bare minimum. All right. And then dwelling. Do you care if he rents or owns or no?
It don't matter because sometimes people be moving, you know, from different states. And
Bare
they're
minimum
not
education.
School.
Bachelor's degree, associates, masters, postgraduate.
It could be a high school diploma because.
Okay. All right. Leave it blank. And then can he be fat?
No, but
No? Okay.
they're cuddly though. So.
Okay, so that's no. And then can he be married?
He can because I am. So that way we can like
Include
figure
married
it out.
guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's find out.
All right. Let's see how prevalent this guy is.
But married but separated. You know, like me.
So
Is it the expectation that he's
Okay,
getting a
so-
divorce?
Yeah.
Then
like
no.
Yeah. So just put
Okay,
exclude
no.
married men.
Exclude
Then,
married,
realistically
yeah.
speaking. Okay. And go ahead and find out.
All right.
Okay. The delusion score
Right.
is crazy.
That's nice.
All right.
Fantastic.
And you've got 5 cat bags. Compliments of
You
Fresh and
scored a
Fit.
perfect 5 out of 5 cat bags, man.
Good job, lady.
So
Cats?
yeah. So so yeah. So your guy is literally let's see here.
0.11. No, 0.12%.
Yeah, well, that's the percentage of men that make that income, and then as far as like of men with your chosen races / meet your standards, less than 1%. It looks like 0.120 something. So yeah,
He's somewhere out there, girl.
God got me.
Don't stress.
Manifest it, girl. Manifest it, girl. You got it. She manifested.
Yeah.
Made me that one person.
He must be a Virgo.
And the inspiration for this calculator came from women giving their standards and them thinking that this guy is actually common. Because what you just described is actually what 95% of women want.
Mhm.
And my question is, let's say even if you do find this guy, what makes you think he's going to want you back?
That's facts. We just gotta, see where it goes.
Just see where it goes.
Yeah.
No, my
Wing it.
You should plan for it.
My argument is like you might not even get that opportunity to see where it goes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
But what if I do?
You got to plan for it ahead of time.
Well, I mean, if you had a 99% chance of your parachute not deploying and you jump out the plane, would you still jump out the plane?
No.
Okay. So it's just funny because it's like what men tend to be a lot more realistic about the type of girl that they can attract versus like, well, women, they're delusional. I mean, no offense to you.
Mhm.
It's just that I would argue probably most of the girls here at the table want a man very similar to what you described. Would that be fair to say? No?
No.
Yeah, don't try to run back now because you saw the statistics.
No.
No?
No.
But the thing is that I can have my preference of what I want, but if someone steps up to me and I like you, the vibes is there, it's like, okay, I'm gonna rock with you.
Real quick, before I go on, I just want to ask this real quick, and then we'll go back to what we're talking about as far as the topic at hand, why you swipe left.
Mhm.
What's the bare minimum income that a guy's got to make for you to take him seriously?
70,000, 80,000 a year.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, like 90,000.
90,000 a year?
60.
Damn. In New York?
Yeah.
Nah, you bugging, B.
I mean,
Like
not a month.
60, 70.
No, really?
K.
In New York?
Yeah.
A year or a
I'm-
month?
No, a year. What you mean in a month?
I don't want a guy that makes less than me.
Okay. All right.
That's
What
pretty
about
much
you?
it.
Bare minimum they got to make a year. Keep
I've
it real.
never thought about it, so maybe what she said. I don't remember the number.
She
but
said,
like,
okay, well, so give us a number then. If you don't remember the number, then what the hell?
what did he say?
70,
No,
80.
bro. No.
78,
Come on with your own number.
I don't care.
That's not
I
logical.
just
You don't
want,
care?
No, I just care that he provides, and that's it.
Okay, what is that number for providing?
78.
70K, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. That's about 70K a year is what, like 4,000 a month?
So you're telling
No,
me
no. That's like 5,000 a month. 5,000,
after he
6,000 a
pays the
month.
rent, he pays for maybe his car, maybe any things that come up, bills.
Foods.
He can take you to maybe 2 dinners and 1 vacation a year. You cool with that?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what about you? What's the bare minimum that your guys got to make for you? We already know hers, 300K.
So for me, I would say like the same, like 65, 70.
That's what I'm saying.
They're adjusting
like,
their
I'm
numbers
being
now.
Yeah.
Because people
What
got
about you?
side hustles.
70,
yeah,
80.
side
They just
hustle,
not legal.
everyone, Yeah.
They don't want to be delusional.
Exactly.
Y'all being real conservative now.
Wait, so 60K on paper.
Exactly. That's what I meant.
Okay, gross.
Yeah,
Without the
like
IRS
gross.
involved.
Yes, yes.
No,
That's what
gross
I
with
mean.
like to include illegal funds.
Oh, see, that's
okay, that's-
different.
yeah.
Yeah, that changed the
That's
whole.
Why would you
ballgame.
not include that?
Because
No, 'cause
why
it's
would
like-
you include that? You the fed?
But it's part of the
He
income.
he wants to
Yeah, he was
Oh,
part.
it's part of the income.
Yeah, he was part of it.
Okay, so I guess I'll
I wasn't
say
even talking about if you could have just said how much they make in general. We weren't even talking about criminal activity. I'm amazed that we even have to differentiate between their
We
legal
from
income.
So
New
you
York,
do date
city
scammers.
boy.
You do date scammers. There you go.
I mean, hello.
hello.
Okay, so let's just say total income, legal, not legal. What is it?
I would say in that case, like 80. Like, yeah.
Only
80.
like 20K more.
You still
I would still
Like 80, 90.
Okay, same thing for you.
whose
no,
girl
I would
is
say
this?
I would say 6 figures at least.
Okay,
Okay,
100,000.
keeping it real.
Yeah.
What about you?
70, 80.
70, 80? Okay. She has that smile on her face. She lying too. She knows she lying too. She didn't even give a guy the chance that took her to Boca on all those dinner dates. See, the girls saw like the numbers and they're like, "Oh shit, I gotta
Hell
come
no.
back to reality."
Yeah.
Mama-
Not even
Mama delusion
that.
here.
Not even that. For me, I've already dated a guy that had millions. I've dated those type of guys before, and I realized that I can't always handle all those options and things that come with that. So you start to think to yourself, maybe I should date someone with less options or more in my league. Maybe those guys thought they could do better than me. You know, I've been left for girls that were related to billionaires. You know, that would tear me up because in my mind, I'm thinking at the top of